everybody, I am Amika Jha. I am a second year law student at Amity University and currently I am working as a legal intern at Lexis and Company for the duration of June and July. Today in this video, I am going to talk about various different rights that an arrested person possesses. The reason why I am making this video is that every person should know that what are the rights that they possess. Our criminal justice system is based on the phrase innocent until proven guilty. But in country like India, it is very important to know that even when an accused person is detained or put behind the bars, he is treated like as a criminal, and it is the beauty of our criminal justice system that it does not only protect the rights of the victim, but it does also protect the rights of the accused person. There are various laws that provides various rights to the arrested person. So let's begin. Firstly, according to section 55 of the CRPC, it is mandatory by the police officer, and it is also the right of the arrested person that he should be presented to the magistrate without any unnecessary delay in accordance with the conditions provided for the arrest. And if the police officials does not comply with these rules, they will be held liable for unlawful detention. The second one is according to section 75 and 50 of the CRPC, the accused person when arrested by the police officer, he has the right to know that on what grounds he has been arrested. The third one is that under Article 22, Clause 2 and Section 57 of the CRPC, if a police detains a person wrongfully, the accused has the right to file a writ of habeas corpus as a remedy to challenge the unlawful detention by the police official. The fourth one is the arrested person has the right to remain silent, and he cannot compel to give any statement and confession to the police officers and in the court as if he does not want to. He also has a right to consult a lawyer of his own choice. The fifth one is the accused who has been confined behind the bars has the right to be examined medically under the section 54 of the CRPC in case he has any complaints of physical torture in the police custody. Sixth, the accused person in India has a right to be granted on bail and should be informed that he can be arranged surety for the same and shall be released from the judicial custody in cases of bailable offences. However, sometimes in non-bailable offences also the accused can get a bail. The seventh one, according to section 304 of the CRPC, if the accused has no sufficient means to represent his defense at the cost of the state, the accused has the right to get free legal aid for securing justice. This right cannot be denied even if the accused fails to apply for it. According to section 358 of the CRPC, the section gives the right to the arrested person who was arrested groundlessly are entitled to get compensation from the state. Section 46 of the CRPC says that the police officers should not cause death to the persons while making an arrest. According to section 55 of 65A of the CRPC says that the arrested person shall be protected from the cruelty and inhuman treatment by the police officials in the police custody. If you have any confusions regarding these topics, you can comment below, and for more updates please follow and like and subscribe the channel.